Welcome to Brella. Hi, my name is Dan and I'm an account executive here. Brella is an in-person, virtual, and hybrid event platform. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the features that Brella offer, starting with the networking and the matchmaking. We all know how important networking is at events. Attendees come to events looking for that needle in the haystack meeting, and at Brella, networking is one of our most important priorities. This is how we do networking at Brella. One of the key differentiators at Brella, and one of the things that we do best in the industry, is intent-based matchmaking. And intent-based matchmaking means that your sponsors, your attendees, they're going to be able to come to the event and they're going to be able to select their interests as well as the goals that they have for those interests. Once they've done so, when they come into the event, they'll be able to match up with each other and create those meaningful connections. The first thing that your attendees are going to land on once they've completed their profile is the event homepage. And the event homepage is essentially a dashboard for the whole event. Attendees are going to be able to get quick insights into stuff like latest announcements, upcoming sessions, and more. In the People tab, you'll find all of your matches in relevant order. So now that you've found all of these people that you know you need to meet with at this event, you can simply go to their profiles and suggest a time that works for both themselves and you. Not only does this feature bring tremendous value to your attendees and to your sponsors, it also gives you, the organizer, insights into what your attendees are actually interested in so that you can continue to develop your events for the future. So now that you've scheduled all your meetings for the day and you've bookmarked all the sessions you're interested in participating in, you can now find your planned agenda on the Schedule tab, and you can sync it to your own calendar too. So now let's move to the Stream tab. The Stream tab is where you're going to be able to embed your welcoming remarks, your closing remarks, and everything in between. If you're worried about extra engagement between your attendees and your sessions, look to the sidebar where you can embed more different types of tools. And now we come to one of my favorite features of the platform, the breakout rooms. This feature brings so much value to your sponsors and to your attendees. Think sponsor-led branded discussion rooms. Think intimate speaker Q&A sessions, coffee break networking areas. The limits are endless, and the best part is, it's all built into the platform and it's super simple to set up. And now we move on to the virtual booths. And the virtual booths is a great place for you to highlight your sponsors, to highlight your partners, or any other resource for that matter. Let's take sponsors as an example here. Sponsors are going to be able to have their own dedicated area to showcase their marketing materials, to have a live chat, and attendees are also going to be able to schedule meetings with sponsor reps directly from their booths. Sponsor rep activity and booked meetings can be found on the admin panel, as well as valuable booth statistics that can then be used for lead generation activity. And speaking of the admin panel, this is not only where you actually build the event, but where you have access to all of that valuable post-event data. So the data that you get access to, for example, are session analytics, how engaged your attendees actually were with each other, but also matchmaking statistics, meaning what your attendees were actually interested in at your event. All of this is wrapped up in an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Whether or not you have a virtual, in-person, or hybrid event, we're very much looking forward to discussing your upcoming events with you. Thank you.